Enugu at night. Mbah is walking. This is Enugu. This is entering from Zik Avenue. And these are all newly constructed roads. Internal road. All were constructed by Dr. Barrister Peter Mbah. Mbah. I'm not a fan of Mbah, but his works are testament to a man who wants to transform the coast city state. You can see how nylon tied road. This is kind of a shortcut. If you don't want to pass,
take the next left, then turn right onto College Avenue.
Want to pass through Mayor, you can take this road, and then it bypasses Mayor and bumps you off Mount. And these are internal roads, well constructed with street lights, solar power street lights. So Mbah has done well. I can say that without any fear of contradiction. Peter Mbah has done well.
Take the next right onto College Avenue.
But my people, this guy is walking. Yesterday I was at the smart school at Nkwanike. The guy is doing
in 400 meters,
well.
Turn left.
Building new schools in Enugu. Something that we've not seen in a long time. And guess what? Guess how much he budgeted for education? 33%. We've not seen that since the time of Nnamdi Azikiwe. He invested 33% in education. And look at light, look at street lighting. Look at it, shining bright. New road from the Enugu. And it's not done. Mbah,
take the next left.
Thank you, right? His Excellency Peter Mbah, Enugu. You are doing well. Please don't forget
in 300 meters, turn left onto Mount Street.
From one day after Precious, either to the left or to the right, it's all dilapidated. So don't forget it. I'm going to cover that so that when you do it, we're going to come and thank you too. But Peter Mbah has done well. Look at Enugu. Look at Enugu. Look at this way, that way. Everywhere is nylon tied. Nylon tied.
Take the next left onto Mount Street.
Done well. Mbah has done well. Peter Mbah has done well. I think it's a competition between Mbah and
in 600 meters, turn right to stay on Mount Street.
Has done well. Look at street lights everywhere, and he's not making noise about it. He's just doing his job. He's beautifying Enugu. He's building road. The trash are going out. He's coming back from United States. I was really impressed because I was here when Buruburu was there. It was nothing to write home about. But look at Peter Mbah. Look at the road that he all built within 1 year. And it's not done yet. He's putting traffic lights, he's building international conference center. But my most the happiness I have most is the construction of the smart schools. Some people say it's not true, some people say it's fake. I went to Nkwanike, I saw the testament, the smart school.
Take the next right to stay on Mount Street.
In progress. So I'll bust out of Mount now and join Albany Road. So what I've done now is that I've bypassed Mayor. All the traffic that you see in Mayor, I just bypassed it with this street lighted road.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Agbani Road.
Street lighted road. So I'll bump out of Albany Road and I'll continue on my journey. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Peter Mbah. He has done marvelously well for Enugu in just 1 year. So Mbajide Kiji, but please, we are soliciting for you to come and build the Precious to inside one day. All those places are a nightmare. I'm going to make a video on that so that if you
Turn right onto Agbani
you
Road.
can also instruct your contractors to help us with this. So this is Mount, and we are busting out of Agbani Road. So right now we just saved a hell lot of time in the traffic of Mayor. If you know Agbani Road, if you go up there, you'll see Mayor. It's all jam-packed with traffic.